With Mini Cart for WooCommerce, customers can add products to their cart without ever leaving the page. Setup is quick and easy, no coding required. You can fully customize the cart's look, position, and behavior directly from your WordPress dashboard. Let's take a look at some of the powerful features included in the Mini Cart. A rewards progress bar that motivates customers to spend more to unlock discounts or free shipping. Live stock quantity display, so shoppers know exactly how many items are available. Savings amount shown on sale products, highlighting discounts clearly. Product update messages for real-time feedback when customers change cart quantities. An easy coupon code. Apply option, with a list of available coupons displayed right inside the mini cart. Instant coupon application, so customers see discounts added without leaving the page.
Show the coupon discount amount after a customer applies a coupon. Display the discount or offer from the rewards progress bar inside the mini cart. A handy clear cart button giving customers quick control over their cart contents. Download Mini Cart for WooCommerce today at sharabindu.com and transform the way your store sells.